If you're looking for the perfect combination of stability, comfort, and electric power, you've come to the right place. In today's video, we're counting down the 15 best electric tricycles of 2026, from affordable everyday commuters to premium adventure-ready machines built for long-range rides and heavy cargo. Whether you're a senior looking for extra confidence, a commuter replacing your car, or simply someone who wants a fun and practical way to travel, there's an E-Trike here for you. We'll compare the latest features, performance, battery range, motor power, and overall value to help you find the perfect ride. So, before you invest in your next electric tricycle, watch until the end. You might discover the perfect three-wheeled companion for your lifestyle. Let's get started. CYBERVELO C16. The CYBERVELO C16 is proof that you don't have to spend a fortune to enjoy a capable electric tricycle. Designed with comfort and practicality in mind, it features a 1000-watt brushless hub motor, a 48-volt 20.8 ampere-hour removable battery, and a riding range of up to 60 miles on pedal assist. With a 400-pound payload capacity, foldable frame, front suspension, and large rear cargo basket, it's built for errands and everyday adventures alike. Priced at around $1,099, sale price, the C16 delivers impressive value for riders who want stability, power, and convenience without breaking the bank. Lectric XP Trike 2. The Lectric XP Trike 2 takes everything riders loved about the original and makes it even better. Its 750-watt rear hub motor, up to 1,310-watt peak, delivers smooth acceleration, while the 48-volt 17.5 ampere-hour battery provides an impressive range of up to 70 miles. A torque sensor, hydraulic disc brakes, front suspension, and a 415-pound payload capacity make every ride comfortable and confidence-inspiring. The foldable frame also makes storage surprisingly easy. Starting at around $1,499 for the standard version and $1,799 for the long-range model, the XP Trike 2 offers exceptional value for commuters, seniors, and anyone seeking a stable, feature-packed electric tricycle. Velotric Triker. The Velotric Triker is one of the most refined electric tricycles to hit the market, blending premium technology with everyday comfort. Its 750-watt rear hub motor delivers up to 1,300 watts peak power, paired with a 48-volt 17.5 ampere-hour battery that offers a range of up to 60 miles. What really sets it apart is the sensor swap trademark system, letting you switch between torque and cadence sensors for a personalized ride. Add hydraulic disc brakes, a rear differential axle, a 500-pound payload capacity, and a foldable frame, and you've got an incredibly capable machine. Priced at around $2,399, the Velotric Triker is an excellent choice for riders who want premium features, stability, and confidence on every journey. Puckipuppy Rottweiler. The Puckipuppy Rottweiler is built for riders who want the confidence of a premium electric tricycle without sacrificing comfort or capability. Powered by a 750-watt rear hub motor with 960-watt peak output, it tackles hills with ease, while the 48-volt 15 ampere-hour battery delivers up to 55 miles of riding range. A standout feature is its full suspension, paired with hydraulic disc brakes, a torque and cadence sensor, reverse gear, and a 500-pound payload capacity for exceptional stability and utility. Priced at around $2,299, the Rottweiler is an outstanding choice for commuting, cargo hauling, and weekend adventures, offering a smooth, confidence-inspiring ride wherever the road leads. Mooncool TK Pro. The Mooncool TK Pro is built for riders who want premium performance without stepping into ultra-expensive territory. At its heart is a 750-watt rear hub motor, producing up to 1,310 watts peak power, paired with a 48-volt 20 ampere-hour removable battery that delivers an impressive range of up to 75 miles. The torque sensor, Shimano 6-speed drivetrain, Hydraulic disc brakes and 450-pound payload capacity make every ride smooth, powerful, and confidence-inspiring. Starting at around $1,699, the TK Pro offers outstanding value for commuters, recreational riders, and anyone looking for a feature-packed electric tricycle that feels ready for almost any adventure. Evelo Compass. The Evelo Compass is designed for riders who value comfort, stability, and premium engineering over outright speed. Instead of a typical hub motor, it features a 500-watt buffing mid-drive motor, producing an impressive 105 Nm of torque, making hills feel surprisingly effortless. Its 48-volt, 10.5 ampere-hour Panasonic battery delivers up to 40 miles of range, or 80 miles with the optional second battery. Add in the two-wheel drive rear differential, Shimano 3-speed internal hub, hydraulic disc brakes, and a spacious cargo basket, and you have a trike built for confidence. Priced at around $3,599, the Compass is a premium investment that's perfect for riders who want exceptional comfort, reliability, and all-day riding capability. Addmotor M-380. The Addmotor M-380 is unlike most electric tricycles because it's built for two riders to enjoy the journey together. Whether you're riding with your partner, a family member, or acting as a caregiver, its innovative tandem design makes every trip more enjoyable. Power comes from a 750-watt rear-drive motor paired with a 48-volt 20 ampere-hour UL-certified battery, delivering a top speed of 20 miles per hour and up to 130 miles of range with the optional dual battery setup. It also features a torque sensor, Shimano 7-speed drivetrain, front suspension, and an impressive 550-pound payload capacity. Starting at around $4,099, the M380 is a premium tandem E-Trike designed for comfort, stability, and unforgettable shared adventures. Addmotor Spytan X Reverse E-Trike. The Addmotor Spytan X Reverse E-Trike is one of the most unique electric tricycles on the market, thanks to its reverse three-wheel design that places two wheels up front for exceptional stability and confident cornering. Powered by a 750-watt rear hub motor and a 48-volt 20 ampere-hour Samsung battery, it delivers a top speed of 15 miles per hour and an impressive range of up to 90 miles on pedal assist. With a 380-pound payload capacity, hydraulic brakes, front suspension, and a golf-friendly cargo setup, it's built for comfort and practicality. Starting at around $2,600, the Spytan X is an excellent choice for riders seeking premium stability, relaxed cruising, and a truly distinctive riding experience. Puckipuppy Husky. The Puckipuppy Husky is built for riders who need a dependable electric tricycle that can handle everything from daily errands to weekend adventures. Its 750-watt rear hub motor delivers up to 960-watt peak power, while the 48-volt 20 ampere-hour removable battery provides an impressive range of up to 80 miles on pedal assist. With hydraulic disc brakes, a Shimano 7-speed drivetrain, front suspension, a spacious rear cargo basket, and a 450-pound payload capacity, it offers a smooth and confidence-inspiring ride. Priced at around $1,999, the Husky combines long-range performance, comfort, and practicality, making it an excellent choice for riders seeking versatility and outstanding value. MeetOne Tour. The MeetOne Tour is built for riders who want maximum comfort without giving up serious performance. Its semi-recumbent design provides a relaxed seating position that's ideal for long rides, while dual 750-watt motors deliver up to 2,400-watt peak power for impressive hill climbing and confident acceleration. The massive 48-volt 50 ampere-hour battery system offers an incredible 90 to 200 miles of range, depending on riding conditions. It also features torque sensing, reverse mode, a differential axle, hydraulic brakes, and a 550-pound payload capacity. Priced at around $3,799, the MeetOne Tour is a premium E-Trike that's perfect for riders seeking exceptional comfort, power, and long-distance capability. Addmotor M-315. The Addmotor M-315, Citytan, proves that an affordable folding electric tricycle can still feel practical and fun to ride. Its 500-watt rear hub motor delivers up to 1,100 watt peak power, while the 48-volt 13.5 ampere-hour removable battery provides a range of up to 50 miles on pedal assist. The foldable aluminum frame, 20 by 3-inch fat tires, Shimano 7-speed drivetrain, triple mechanical disc brakes, and front suspension make it a great companion for commuting, camping, or RV travel. Starting at around $1,199, the M315 offers excellent value for riders who want portability, comfort, and dependable everyday performance without stretching their budget. Sixthreezero 750-watt Recumbent E-Trike. The Sixthreezero 750-watt Recumbent E-Trike is all about making every ride feel effortless and comfortable. Its 750-watt rear hub motor provides smooth, reliable power, while the 48-volt 15 ampere-hour lithium battery delivers up to 50 miles of range on pedal assist. The standout feature is its semi-recumbent riding position, which reduces strain on your back, wrists, and knees, making it ideal for longer rides or riders with mobility concerns. With a Shimano 7-speed drivetrain, wide tires, hydraulic disc brakes, and a low step-through frame, it inspires confidence on every journey. Priced at around $2,999, this E-Trike is a premium choice for anyone seeking unmatched comfort, stability, and an enjoyable riding experience. Narrak S180. The Narrak S180 is a great example of how an affordable electric tricycle can still feel premium on the road. Powered by a 750-watt rear hub motor with 1,350 watt peak output, it offers strong acceleration and confident hill climbing. The 48-volt 13 ampere-hour UL certified removable battery delivers up to 50 miles of range, while 20 by 4-inch fat tires, hydraulic disc brakes, a rear differential, and a folding step-through frame provide excellent stability and everyday convenience. Front and rear cargo baskets add extra practicality for shopping or commuting. Priced at around $1,250, the S180 is an excellent value for riders seeking comfort, versatility, and dependable performance without spending a fortune. VanRaam Thuja. The VanRaam Thuja is one of the most innovative electric tricycles of 2026, designed to give riders maximum confidence without sacrificing style. Its unique 2 front-wheel configuration delivers exceptional stability, while the 250-watt VES R75 mid-drive motor produces 75 Nm of torque for smooth, effortless assistance. A 36-volt 522 watt-hour battery provides a typical range of 25 to 45 miles, 40 to 70 kilometers, and hydraulic brakes ensure reliable stopping power. The Thuja also features a lockable front cargo compartment, upright riding position, and customizable body panels. Priced from around €7,995, about $8,500 US, it's a premium mobility solution for riders seeking outstanding comfort, safety, and Dutch engineering at its finest. Viribus FC2. The Viribus FC2 is an excellent choice for riders who want a practical, feature-packed electric tricycle at an affordable price. Its 750-watt rear hub motor delivers up to 1,200 watts peak power, while the 48-volt 14.7 ampere-hour Samsung battery provides an impressive range of up to 62 miles with pedal assist. The folding frame, hydraulic disc brakes, rear differential, dual rear suspension, and 400-pound payload capacity make it comfortable, stable, and easy to store. It even includes NFC keyless access and a USB-C charging port for added convenience. Priced at around $1,299, often discounted to about $1,099, the FC2 offers exceptional value for commuters, shoppers, and anyone looking for a reliable everyday E-Trike.